So we got a 2018 F150 here that we're going to be changing out the tail light. You can see this one's broken. So we ordered a new one actually from Ford, and I think it listed at $1,000 or so because it's got all the lane assist radar things on it. So of course we broke the most expensive part probably that you can get for a tail light, but anyway, they actually gave it to us for $850, which is what a deal, right? So here's the new one. So in order to change it out, here's 2 bolts in the back side here, one on the top, one on the bottom, and it's 8mm. So we're gonna go ahead and change that out here. Something else will get on. So when this one broke, it got pushed ahead, so it's jammed in there. So we're gonna try to break it out of there. There it goes, and then you just pull. It's jammed up on top too, actually. Go. So we got the old one, which is right here. There's just a tab on the top. That's it. Okay, so to unhook this, you just actually push down on this tab, and then it should come right off. Yep, just like that. Okay, so the new one did not come with the actual LED parts, so we're gonna have to pop this cover off right here, this metal cover, and we'll put it on here. Okay, so this is 7mm. Pop this cover off right here. You have to pop this cover off in order to get it unhooked. So we're gonna have a little star socket here. Alright, so now that came loose enough where we can actually unhook the sensor from the old tail light. So now the old one's unhooked, and we'll start putting things back together on the new one. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is hook up the blind spot sensor. It just plugs in right here. It's got a tab here. That's how this should just push right on, just like that. And then we'll put the bracket back in and put our screws back in. So it's got 2 tabs here on the bottom. It sits in. I need it back up. So they can see this. There you go. And put that in there. Screw in here. Those in here, we'll tighten them up. Okay, so there's a little tab here. It needs to fit in the hole in the metal part there. It should sit right down in there. There we go. And now we'll put our 4 screws back in. Tighten those down. Alright, so we just plug this in. So there's a tab on the top, plugs in, just slides right in. Make sure it's clipped. You hear it clip. And then these two pins line up right here. And then this pin here lines up on top. So everything's lined up and the harness isn't jammed in there. Bottom one's in, top one's in. This is lined up. There we go. Push it all in nice. And then put these two screws in on the one on the top and one on the bottom. And you're back in business. We're going to go ahead and try it now. It's working.
She works.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button below. And if you want to see more videos like this come up in your feed, please subscribe to our channel. And if you want to find out when our next video comes out every week, hit that notification bell below, and that'll send you a notification when our next video comes out, which we try to send them out every week. Thanks a lot for learning more about our farm, and we sure appreciate it.